Hi everyone, Dr. Nemechek here. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I just want to read one of the many testimonials we get from people and how their children respond with protocol. This is from the Facebook group Protocolo de Nemechek Latino Americano on Facebook. This was sent to me, and I'm just going to read it. We've had it translated through Google Translate, so it's a little, it might sound a little funny because of that, but I just kind of want to leave it untouched and for you to hear this. Yesterday was a day full of mixed emotions. In November 2023, we started with a special diet for my children, which included omega-3s. We didn't know about the Nemechek protocol yet. My son had just been diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder level 2. After the diagnosis, a change of school, change of diet, incorporating physical activity, we managed to see a positive change. It should be emphasized that we always consume olive oil. It's a tradition rooted in my family. We were able to see a lot of progress in my son. He went from a diagnosis 2, level 2, to a level 1. I put myself into research, and after talks, information, and advice, I decided to start the Nemechek protocol by starting inulin. I should add, the protocol for children is inulin, fish oil, and olive oil, and she was already on the omega-3 fish oil and the olive oil, so she just needed the inulin at this point. We started in mid-January, and to my surprise, my son's progress was great. 180-degree change. My son woke up, became more alert. In this month, many obstacles have been overcome. The therapist is impressed. The teachers went crazy. It's a revolution, quote unquote. But yesterday, it was what broke me as a mom, as a person, and what made me understand that my son is healing or adapting. I don't know. It's something I can't explain. He's always had problems with haircuts and nails. Last week, I cut nails. I was a little reluctant, but it was not bad like the other times. This got my attention. The man who cut my son's hair closed his business. This man was patient, tolerant, and understanding. I started looking for a new hairstylist, but we could not find anyone appropriate. Since November, he hasn't had a haircut, but we had to cut his hair. Yesterday, I took my daughter to her stylist, a very nice lady who has 2 kids. The topic of my son's haircut came up, and she said, "Bring him." My kid is also a bit unpredictable when he gets his haircut, so I cut it, and everything will be fine. I talked to my son, and he said yes. We arrived. He sat down. We both waited for the horror scene, the tears, cries of wanting to leave. He would never hit or kick. It was just cries and screams each time they cut him with a razor or the sound of the scissors. But yesterday, he just closed his eyes and told the stylist that before putting the razor on him, put it close and tell him in order to get ready. He told the stylist that he was an autistic person and apologized in advance if it caused her any inconvenience, that she was going to do her part and that he trusted her. It was such a beautiful scene. My son fell asleep during the haircut. He didn't cry, he didn't scream, he just took a deep breath and fell asleep. He finally thanked her and he went out just fine. And coming home, he started playing in puddles. I asked him if I could cut his nails, and he said, "No, one step at a time." Thank God, no more suffering in haircuts. Thank you. And here's a little picture of that tyke. These milestones just come in so many different shapes and sizes. And I just want to thank people for sending these type of testimonials to me. It really lifts our spirits. Thanks. Everybody have a great day.